looking at the differences and similarities. Then we see which ones are better, the traditional ones or the modern weddings. You'll be coming here to give us your views, and we expect to get questions from the listeners and we answer them. When we talk about change, you know change is a fact of life. You cannot avoid change. Someone said, if you don't want to change, change changes you. Therefore you cannot avoid. If you are not changing, change changes you. So it comes automatically. When you look at the traditional weddings, the traditional marriage ceremonies, they have changed a great deal. Therefore you're going to come here and tell us the differences that you are seeing, and according to you, which ones are better?
You know, when we are Somalis, we have a old traditional marriage that is bright and good for us. When some of us go to the abroad and then they judge their traditional culture. That is what when, for example, when you want to marry a girl, she wears a gown or white gown, but before we wear that cultural dress, the meaning of marriage is to get better life, as the Quran says us. ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, the married, what is the meaning of married? Why you make married? To get stability, to get love, to get rahmah, more mercy, to get more mercy. But when I pay more 10,000 or 15,000 about this, and the guy said, I can't marry you without giving this, it is too much, or it's difficult, there is no love.
What is the difference between traditional and modern society?
The difference between traditional and modern society is we get each of them example. When you see your mother, the age of 50 or 60 years, how can the daily routine work it, hard working, get to a farm and the farm, and then they collect the money for every resource or any resource. But the modern girls, when you marry it, you get, when you come to the house, she have a smartphone, and then she have internet, and the most thing that they get busy is internet, Facebook, email. But our mothers mostly they focus us what we eat, what we learn.
What is it marriage? The real thing of the marriage is when you know something on social media, not at space. The some lady who is live another country or outside of the country, the technology can easy to understand it for that person, and it's easy to get married. How many people have got married with internet? How many? It's a lot.
Okay. Thank you very much. The question is, can I be traditional with the modern technology? Go ahead. Yeah. The question is, can I be very advantageous to the technology and yet I'm still traditional? I'm not modern, but I use the technology. Is it possible? Because that's the real question that we have here.
Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Sumaya Ashir.
New standards. We still got questions.
Yes, because people, the traditional people, they can use for internet. Because the way we are learning, they can able to learn even. The way we are learning, they can able to learn. And they can take a bath when they learning. internet. And the internet, they have money advantage that I can't conclude here.
Now the problem is you post everything, including your wife and your husband. Maybe your husband is too handsome and someone else will think of marrying him again. Or maybe your wife is beautiful and people will... So is it something good? Isn't it something bad and we have to go back to traditional wedding?
Obviously, it is not good. It's not good, and for all our girls, we don't want our men to marry another girl or another woman. So it's not good in my idea. And you boys, you don't like you women to see other boys or other men in social media and giving him a lot of likes, too much comments, is that makes you angry. So that's not good in my idea. It's not okay.
Please disagree with her. That's the whole point. You disagree with her and you tell us. Yeah, you go ahead. You disagree with Iftin and that's all the point of what you want. So you need to show your beautiful wedding to...
In my idea, if my husband marry another one, it's okay, no problem. Because Allah allows that. That's no problem. But try to be the one who loves you. Must love you, but if he married another one, no problem by the way he married.
I believe traditional wedding is better than modern wedding. When you look at the traditional wedding, it was expensive because when you want to marry a girl, you must pay 100 camels. But right now, when you want to marry a girl, you must give up only 5,000, 10,000, and that's cheap. So the value of the girls are become decrease in this modern marriage.
The value of the girls are decreasing in this modern world. So in our hadith or in our religion say that the wedding that is less, that is less money or take place with less money is more good than those others, and this wedding will stay forever. So how do you say that the value is coming in?
If you pay 100 camels, you will not divorce her easily. That's why I'm supporting the traditional marriage.
Okay, continue.
My question is, the love will come is before marriage or after marriage? This is a popular question.
Okay, give me.
After marriage or before marriage?
If you don't have any money, why do you want a girl? You are the seed, they believe. If you don't have,
You say guys only want. If you don't have money, why you want guys? Do you think?
okay, shit.
Okay, I'll come back to the question. Do you think guys only want money?
Some of guys, they only want money. Because if you love this boy, you didn't say, I want this, I want hotel, I want this house. You should pay a lot of money. You give my mother $2,000. What? So, if you love this, your boyfriend, you didn't say, I want this, and this. You should satisfy, you should accept everything he said. That's the...
But now you say I want the money and
No.
Wait.
I said... Where is the boy? The boy, he said all the guys, they want money. So I said, some of guys, they want money. And some of them, they don't want money. Like me. I don't want too much money. I just love him. We do a small wedding. That is the best wedding. And you get more adab. So it doesn't make sense to talk what money. What?
Say, guys, it's not good to have money. And for example, you and your boyfriend, you are in a relationship, right? and someday you want to get an ice cream or you want to go some hotels that you say as other couples do. So how do you live with that one who can't buy you only ice cream?
When I'm saying I don't want too much money, it's not that he doesn't have any money. Even if he can't, I have the money because I'm a doctor. I give it to him.